Stop right there, ladies. If you are seeing this video, you are supposed to be seeing this video, especially the women over 55. I'm about to turn 60 next week, and these kind of tips I wish that I had someone give me to put my makeup on. Notice the different kind of makeup that I have chosen here. The e.l.f. The e.l.f. is creamy, moist, easy to apply. Put it on with your finger, or you could get one of those really great e.l.f. brushes. Put it on which works for you. Apply it where you believe your blemishes are. Putting makeup on at our age is really an art. You want to follow what your face, your contours, how is it that your cheek and your cheekbone are. I apply my contouring and my concealer until I feel as if I'm ready to stop. If I miss something, I get into a real close mirror and I reapply it until I'm comfortable. This blue, that blue little cool stick is e.l.f. It's a wonderful product. I put that on right before I put the Morph contouring on. So I put the contour on and I use a great brush. Again, it's e.l.f. And I smooth it in. I make sure every time I apply my makeup, it's soft and smooth and everything is moisturized. Nothing gets dry. See? I reapply my contouring, but then I also reapply my concealer. Select a concealer that works for you. I happen to like the e.l.f. I happen to like the Lancome. The one that works for you that you could apply and you feel confident and comfortable with. Then keep looking back in the mirror. Smooth it in till your blemishes are covered the way that you like them covered. Putting on makeup that are your 25-year-old, 35-year-old, 45-year-old is not the same as us putting on makeup at our age. We really want to look closely and make sure that we're applying it to our face. Every face is different. Our face takes on makeup differently at the age of 55 plus. That mirror is important. I'll put it in the link, the mirror that I use. I really, really enjoy it. And then I picked up the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Huge do. Great. I dropped my expensive one. I got my e.l.f. one. And then I now apply my mascara that I found at my thrifting shop. Dollar Tree store. Keep looking in the mirror. Apply it till you're finished. There is no right or wrong. There are no steps to follow that are the same as any other woman our age. Put on a little castor oil and you're just about done. Grab your favorite lipstick, put it on, and voila, your day's about to start. See y'all soon.